Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Taisha. I am back with another video. Espero que estén bien. On today's video, we're going to be talking all about brand new drugstore makeup. This one's pretty amazing because almost all of you guys can go to your local Walmart and pick them up. So these are the brand new Walmart's favorites boxes. This is what they look like right here. They came up with 3. They also have other ones for your hair products, shavers, and stuff like that. I just decided to stay in the beauty category and decided just to pick this ones up. So first you get the Glow Like a Pro. This one consists of products you would need to achieve that perfect glowing effect. And then you also get the Eyes Have It Favorites box. This one has mascaras, everything for your eyes to enhance them. And then last but not least, you get the latest in lips. This one has everything you will need to have bomb lips. So all these boxes are right here, you guys, retail for $10. They're super affordable and you get a bunch of makeup to try out. And who doesn't want to try new makeup out? So I feel like this is a perfect opportunity for everybody that wants to try new makeup, doesn't want to spend a lot of money. You get a bunch of products right here for less than $10. So that's pretty amazing. I'm going to be trying it out, seeing which box is my favorite, and just seeing if they're actually worth the $10, because $10 is still money. So you guys, that's what today's video is going to be all about. If you're interested on this video, please make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. And without further ado, I used to say to do, you guys, like an idiot. I'm telling you, welcome to my channel, which I do not know how to pronounce anything. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I went ahead and zoomed the camera in so you guys can see me better. I only did my eyebrows because none of these products actually have brow stuff, which we'll get to it later. I do feel like some of the boxes are missing some things, but we'll talk about that later. I'm gonna go ahead and get started by using the face one. This one actually was the only one that really gravitated me, and I just decided to grab the other ones and do this video. This one is the Glow Like a Pro. I really like how you get Milani products. I feel like this brand, Milani, has been becoming one of my favorite drugstore brands. So you do get a Milani highlighter, a blush, you get an e.l.f. primer, a Maybelline primer. This one is for pores, this one is for a more hydrating effect. And then you get this brand right here, which I have never tried. This is the Illuminating Makeup Setting Spray. And then for all the oily skin people out there like me, we do get a matte setting spray. And then something I need because, you guys, I am so over winter. I am so sorry if you guys lived in a place that is like -24. I've seen it. I would not survive that. So shout out to everybody who's out there about to die in this weather, you guys. But I need some body tanner. What is this? A body luminizer. I am so ready for summer, you guys. I cannot wait for it. So we do get that product right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started by priming my face. Like I said, we do get a poreless face primer and we get a hydrating plus smooth primer by Maybelline. I feel like I'm gonna go with the e.l.f. one this time around. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pump some in my hand, and this is what it looks like right here. Doesn't smell like anything, or at least I cannot smell it. Oh, never mind. It smells like tea tree. And I'm just gonna apply this right here in my pore area. Alright guys, just applying it on my skin. This actually seems like a good primer. It makes my skin really smooth. And we shall apply foundation to see if it actually does a good job in blurring my skin. And just to try it out, because why not, I'm just gonna use the Maybelline one just in my forehead a little bit. This one looks more like a lotion. I'm just gonna apply that in my forehead and just right here around the outer parts of my skin, because those parts don't get as oily. Alright guys, so far both primers seem really nice, you guys. I am glad to try drugstore primers because I am looking for good ones to recommend to you guys. So right now I like it. I do like the Maybelline one. Kind of reminds me of the Too Faced Hangover RX primer that I love using. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my foundation and also concealer and stuff, because none of the kids have any foundation, concealer, or anything to cover up my skin. And then I'll be right back to apply some blush and okay guys, so I am back. My foundation is done. In case you guys are wondering the products I use the L'Oreal Fresh Wear foundation. I'm in the shade 475 and I believe that's Sun Beige. And then for concealer, I went ahead and used the same collection, and this one I believe is in the shade Cashew. And then then for bronzer, of course, I use the BH Brilliance Bronzer in Bronze Babe. So esta lo que usted, and this is what it looks like. I really love this foundation and this combo. It's amazing. Alright, so we're gonna move on to applying some blush. So we got this one from Milani. This is the Rose Powder Blush in Romantic Rose 901. I have never tried any blushes from them and I have heard they're amazing. So this is what it looks like out of that annoying packaging. This is super cute. It's like a travel size one. So this is my hand and then this is the actual blush. Super cute. Really like it. So I'm just gonna grab my blush. This is the JH06 brush and let's just go ahead and see. Oh, this is a really pretty, like, rosy color. And I do like how it's matte. And they're actually really pigmented, guys. Alright, really pretty color. And then I'm just gonna apply my highlighter. And for highlighter today, I'm using this one from Milani as well. This is the Shrub Light Afterglow 901 highlighter. And it looks like a really pretty highlighter. It looks like a, I guess, light champagne color. That's what it looks like swatch right there. And I'm just gonna be using the AOA Studio F19 brush. You guys can get this at Shop Miss A. I'm gonna be doing a video using their products really soon, so stay tuned for that. If you do not know what Shop Miss A is, it's a $1 makeup company and they have really good products. So let's just go ahead and test this highlighter out. Oh wow, it's really pretty. It's like a glow within. It's not like super blinding, but you can get it to be blinding. And from what I can see, it's not emphasizing my texture too much. Every highlighter will emphasize a little texture, but there's some highlighters that just do it 10 times more. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a smaller brush and I'm just gonna do the tip of my nose with that same highlighter. This is just gonna emphasize my nose highlight, and of course, we can't forget that inner corner glow. Alright, so there you guys have it. I have used almost all the products. I'm gonna go back later in this video and try out the settings. I should just try them out now. Alright, so I have never tried this brand before, the Found brand, the Illuminating Makeup Setting Spray. Nunca lo probado. I don't know. Ooh, it seems like a nice packaging. Hopefully this one doesn't have too much shimmer to it because I feel like I'm looking pretty matte right now, so I don't need a mattifying primer. But we do get one by Hard Candy in case you guys are wondering, and I do not know if these are the full size or not. I'm pretty sure this is a sample size, but either way, you guys, $10 is still a good deal. So you do get a mattifying primer. Oh, it says 12 wear and hydration. Let me try both of them out. You know what, why not? Okay, so I'm just gonna spray the illuminating one first here. Smells like usually every setting spray, and then hopefully it doesn't have any glow to it. Let's try this out on this side of my face. And I have never tried this Found brand before, so interesting. And then on the other side, I'm gonna be trying the Hard Candy one. Okay, so I'm just gonna make sure and shake it, and let's just go ahead, break some right there. Okay, so both sides are sprayed. I honestly cannot tell a difference. All right, so I'm gonna move on to the eyes. Ooh, I forgot, you guys. I completely forgot that this had a mask. I am so sorry. I'm gonna try it out, not in camera, and then I'll let you guys know about it. But this is just a regular under eye gold gel mask. I'm sure it's just a regular eye mask. So this one is my least favorite one because I saw last year's ones, and last year you had a mascara, you had an eyeshadow, you have lashes, and the one in my Walmart at least only had just this one, and it was mascaras. So I guess we're focusing more on the more natural look, which I don't mind. Well, actually I do mind. I love me some fake lashes, but for a regular person, I know they wouldn't care for it. So you get a Rimmel Lash Serum, you get the Maybelline Lash Sensational, which is a mini size, the CoverGirl Lit Lock Primer. Oh, Lit Lock. So I guess you get a primer right here for your eyeshadow, and then you get the under eye mask, the L'Oreal Mini Voluminous Primer. Well, I'm excited to try that one out. The e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I didn't know that was an eye pencil. What the hell? You guys, I feel like such a fail right now. What the hell? I didn't know. Okay, so I guess you get a brow pencil. I should have read the back of them before anything. And then you get the CoverGirl Flourish Mascara. So we're just gonna go ahead and skip the eyeshadow today and move on straight to mascara. So you get a really cute sample size one. I've heard great things about these lash primers. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some right here on my eyelashes. I never curl my lashes because I'm always scared that I'm gonna clamp them and then the lashes are just gonna be there. That's just so scary to me. All right, and then for mascara, I'm gonna be using, let's see, do I want to try the CoverGirl or the Maybelline? Okay, so I'm just gonna start with the Maybelline one on this eye. It seems like a pretty good mascara. It's like lifting my eyes up, or my lashes. Are you guys seeing that? Oh my god, my lashes never look like that. They look pretty good. Okay, let me try the CoverGirl Flourish by Lash Blast mascara, and let's see how this one works. It could be the primer. So the mascaras on, lashes are looking bomb. You see, that's the whole idea behind this Walmart's favorite boxes, or in general little boxes like this. You get to try products that you have never tried. Like, I would have never gone to the store and picked up new mascaras or a mascara primer. It's just not my thing. So if you're looking for a great mascara, I say buy this whole kit because you get everything. I just dropped it. I say buy the whole kit because you get everything to try out, and it's pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the lips, los labios. I am super excited to try this one out. I love everything lips. I feel like that's like my thing, is lip and lashes and skin too. I don't know, everything. So I'm really excited for this one. This is the latest in lips, and you get just a bunch of lip products. The only thing that is kind of like not really liking is that I only see a bunch of pink shades and pinks, and me just do not mix that well. So we're still gonna give it a good try. Let's open this up. Again, this one just retails for $10, and I love how many products you get for the price. You just cannot beat the price, even if you don't like certain colors. You guys know me, I love nude products. That's just my thing. I will be doing a favorites nude, or my favorite nude lip combos for all the beautiful Latinas and Latinos out there and for everybody else. So stay tuned for that. I don't know why it's taking me so long to film it. I just have other videos ideas, and I keep putting it like behind, but don't worry, it's coming. So that's what it looks like once out the packaging. Let me just read the back. So you get a So IE My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch. So I'm guessing it's this one. And then you get a Flower Miracle Matte Liquid Lip Color. I have never tried flowered lip colors. You get a Hard Candy Max Pout, Almay Goddess Gloss Lip Color, Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Cast Suit. These are actually pretty good. And then you get the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine and a Burt's Bees Liquid Lipstick. Ooh, you get a bunch of stuff. Interesting. But the one that's calling my name, I have never tried Burt's Bees before, and this is a really pretty color. It is a liquid lipstick, so let me open this up and swatch it. Okay, so let's see. Has a nice applicator. Ooh, and they actually smell good. It smells like candy. And then that's the color right there of the Burt's Bees. What else do we get? This is exciting. I want to try this flower one as well. This is more of a mauvey color. Ooh, this is dark. That's what it looks like right there. The applicator is really nice though. And then the rest of the stuff are just lip glosses. So you get this one from Neutrogena. This is kind of hard to open. Ooh, this applicator is freaking huge. I don't even know how it fits here. How the hell do... What the hell? Do you guys see that? It's so hard to even get it out. And then that's the color right here. This is like really everyday-ish color. And then you also get this plumping serum, which this is what I had on. If you guys ever see my lips really glossy, it's usually a plumping serum. I love lip plumpers. It's just my favorite thing to do. I love it because you get like, it looks like you got lip injections, but you just don't have the money to get them done. So I really do like lip plumpers. Boom. It feels really minty. That's what it feels like right now. Maybe it'll start tingling. So yeah guys, I don't know if I will recommend you guys this one. So let me just remove this before I get this everywhere. I think I'm just gonna go with the Burt's Bees ones because why not? It is a liquid lipstick. Let me pull one of my liners right here. You guys know I cannot live without my lip liners. I think I'm gonna go with Morphe Toasty Lip Liner. and then apply the Burt's Bees in top. Alright guys, so I went ahead and finished my makeup using the Walmart's Favorites boxes. I'm honestly so obsessed with them. I really hope Walmart keeps bringing them out because it's an amazing deal. I mean, it's only $10 and you get to try a bunch of good products, and they just say they're Walmart's favorites. So definitely my two top that I definitely recommend if you're eyeing them or if you see them in your local Walmart while you're grocery shopping. I do suggest you buy the Glow Like a Pro. I feel like it's a really nice sample little box. You get to try a bunch of really good products. The only thing I didn't get to try was the body illuminizer. I feel like it's something that they could have gone without, but the other products I love, and I do love how they include Milani products. Milani is just bomb. And then what else? I also like the Eyes Love It box because you get to try a bunch of cool mascaras. I don't even have them in here, but I didn't use all of the products. I didn't use this one, the eyelid primer, and the lash isolator. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using this brow pencil, but these other three things, I feel like they could have gone without it. It's still a cool idea, and I still think it's worth your money, especially for the three good, amazing mascaras you do get. I mean, for $10, why not, right? So yeah guys, those are my two top boxes. The one I didn't like as much is the lip one. I feel like the colors it could have done way better. Do not like how it's only a pink box. I don't really like pink. I feel like it's not Latina approved. Do not like it. So that one, you guys could probably go without it. Not my favorite. But if you do like pinks, you like the lip products it comes with, definitely try it out. It's just $10. So yeah guys, that's pretty much all I have for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you're at your local Walmart and you were wondering, should I pick one of this up? Now you know. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are, and if you are, let me know which one. I want to know. Thank you so much for taking time of your day, you guys, to watch this video. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night wherever you're watching this. And I have lipstick on my teeth. I am super sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and let you all go, and I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.